What's up, guys? It's Jake Frye, the car guy, and today, us, the car guys, the top aftermarket accessory name in the game, we're bringing you another one. We're going to be doing an unboxing, and this is a Lightning center console organizer. Look at that, Lightning branded, super efficient, super nice fit and finish. I mean, this is a great product here.
Shout out to BestEVMods for sending this to us. It looks great. We're about to see how it looks in the truck.
Check the link in the description. Go there now. Pick you up one of these. If you got a F150 Lightning, I think they may even fit in the F150 center console. We'll test it out for you. But first, let's see how this goes in with the Lightning. Now, we've shown you, check our other video, also in the description, of our BestEVMod dial aftermarket adapter here. But we're gonna see how they pair together, how good our truck looks with both aftermarket features installed. Now, it's gonna be super easy to install both of these pieces here. And again, I just wanna highlight the super cool Lightning specific branding and kind of nice leather feel of the inserts here on our Ford Lightning center console adapter. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove the factory center console organizer right there, and I'm gonna go ahead and just drop right in the adapter for my 2022 Ford Lightning. So what you see here, I mean, this has totally changed the game. They've thought of everything. They really have. So super easy to install. It drops right in there, but it's not gonna slide around. It's, I mean, perfectly machined basically for this Ford Lightning F150. Lightning branding, it looks fantastic. You've got a slot here for your coins, for your cell phone, for business cards, whatever it is. But check this out right here. This little cutout is actually going to allow you to continue to use your USB, your USB-C, while still utilizing this super nice center console organizer. Now, as far as stepping it up, as far as changing the game, you pair this, I mean, both super inexpensive, super quality products. We've got our hefty duty BestEVMod dial shifter adapter right there. And you see how much it changes the look on the truck. You see how much better the feel is on this this shifter here. It makes it easier to keep your eyes on the road. Makes it easier to use.
And it just matches the color scheme of the vehicle. You see all the darker grays going along here, along your glove box.
Oh, amen.
Everything on the dash is about this color. Take this thing off here, and then it's just kind of standing out. And we want to, you know, have a nice tactile feel to this. Put it over there, kind of, you know, not be as distracted and be able to be more efficient when we're, you know, changing our volume, doing any controls through your center screen.
Oh yeah. You're exactly right, Walker. I mean, the chrome, the aluminum look is really out these days. Everybody wants those blackout packages, those custom interiors, and this is a affordable, easy way to do it.
It just really looks better.
Up your truck. Looks way better. Let us know in the comments what you think. And speaking of fit and finish, I mean, our center console adapter, color-wise and even kind of styling, it looks like it comes from the factory. I mean, it matches perfectly with your plastic.
So you're saying they put all this design into this thing, even though it's not going to be showing the whole time.
That's right. I mean, they're just stepping it up. BestEVMod is doing a great job.
That's quality.
It's a quality product. I do suggest you pick one up. I'll be installing this one in my 22 Ford Lightning. But you know, the link's in the description. They're affordable. They're super nice. Why haven't you already clicked it and picked you one up? Guys, we're going to be showing you more stuff from BestEVMod and from several of our aftermarket adapters and distributors here. But if y'all want to head on over to BestEVMod, they'll cut you the car guy deal. Just tell them that Jake Frye and Walker Paul sent you. Walker, what do you got for the people today?
Guys, thank you for tuning in to this video here, reviewing this bezel cover. Oh, sorry, right there. And also the center console organizer. Definitely great products from BestEVMod. Don't forget to hit those guys up, and we will talk to you guys later.
That's right. Like and subscribe, and pick you up a center console adapter and a knob adapter right now. See you soon. Thanks.
Filming for the car guys. If y'all aren't following Walker Park's headers, it's going to get your life right. And if you didn't know,